Alright, how's it going, everybody? I am going to do a little video today about cleaning the exhaust tips. You know, as most of you may know, that the Lexus ISF has the fake quad exhaust tips, and they are chrome. You can see them in the back there. On there, and I have never cleaned mine before, other than, you know, just kind of cleaning it during normal washes and things. But I did see that there's this product that I saw in another video. It's called this polish soap, P21S, and it looked pretty promising from what I saw in that video. So I'm going to give it a try today and see how it works out, see how these tips look afterwards. Here's a before video, and I'll take some photos, put it at the end of this video as well, and show you what it looks like. So here is the before exhaust. Alright, so here's what my tips look like right now. They're not terribly bad, but they're not chrome either like they originally were. So here's a little indicator of what the before looks like. Let's move over here. It's the other side. Give you an idea of what the condition they're in. And then we're going to try this polishing soap and see how it goes. So per the instructions, I'm going to clean the tips off first with, you know, a little soap and water. I'm going to use a toothbrush that I bought and just kind of give it a little once over to get some of the grime off. And then we will put the polishing soap and see how it works. Alright, so let's go ahead and clean these off a little bit. This just requires soap for washing your car, so nothing special.
So that's all I'll do for that. Clean off. Then
Get this P21S polishing soap. Comes with a little pad. We'll see how this works, but if anything, I'll just use the toothbrush. It's almost like a shaving cream. Squeeze it. Really kind of lathered in there. Now this is only supposed to be used on metal surfaces. No paint or anything like that. I'll just be careful here. Get the main parts with this big part, and then kind of work in with the brush the parts that are a little deeper and that I can't get with this main piece. Alright, now that I cleaned them for, I don't know, 5 minutes or so with the toothbrush and the scrubber that came with it, let's see how it looks after I polish it off with the microfiber towel. Definitely is noticeably shinier. The chrome took a lot of that carbon buildup off, so initial impressions are good. Yeah, looks good. Didn't scratch them or anything. Here's a look of what the one that I just did looks like. And the other side, which has not been done. Obviously much duller. You can see the carbon that's, you know, built up on there. So let me go back and forth. See that? Over to this. So definitely cleaned it up pretty good. I would recommend the product. So yeah. Yeah, definitely not too much work to do. I mean, 5 minutes of you know, hand washing it, so not too bad. And then your exhaust tips look here. Let me do a video of the front, or with both of them, if you can see them at the same time. Maybe you can notice it from the back here, but definitely standing, you know, 3 feet away or sitting here, you can see how much shinier that right exhaust tip is compared to the left. So all right, here is the back of my car. Notice I've done the tips on the right. Tips on the left have not been completed yet. I mean, we're standing 5 feet away and you can tell the difference pretty dang well. You know, the chrome actually matches, like I said, Lexus emblem, the ISF logo, and the license plate frame I have. So this is a pretty good product. Here it is again up close. And there's the one that has not been completed. So I like it. I will recommend it. I'm going to use it some more. Keep these a little bit more clean. And all right, let me throw this in there too. This is the left side that I'm working on, and as you can probably tell, the top is the one that I just finished cleaning. The bottom is pretty much what it looked like beforehand. So, you know, like I said, maybe 3-4 minutes of cleaning on the top one, if that, and it looks pretty dang good compared to how it did look. Look at that carbon and how dull it is, and shiny chrome is back. So I'm going to do the bottom one now, but I thought I'd just add this video in to show you a real side-by-side of how well this stuff works. So there's my review for this P21 polishing soap. I would recommend it to anybody that wants to clean up their exhaust tips. It, you know, you don't really need to do too much work. 5 minutes of work maybe. Didn't have to scrub too hard or anything, and it keeps the exhaust tips looking nice and new, nice and clean. So if you like this video and you have any more suggestions for me on what I, you know, things that I do with my ISF, let me know on the comments, and please subscribe and like. Talk to you soon.